How are y'all doing? I hope everybody's doing great. Hey, zoom out a little bit here. And I am doing a neon colorful painting today. I've got 6 colors. I got the lime neon. This is called Azalea. Yellow. Neon purple. Blue. And hot coral. These are all made by Handmade Modern, which is made for Target. So I got these at Target. They were, I think $2.50 a piece. So I'm going to get 6 cups here, and I'm going to put roughly half the bottle, which will be an ounce of paint, into each cup. Today I'm going to pour on 2 canvases. I'm going to do a white and a black, and they're both 12 by 24. So I want to see the neon colors on black and white. These are 2-ounce bottles, so they're shorter and fatter than a regular craft bottle paint, but they are 2 ounces, just like a craft bottle. Alright, so I'm going to put these aside. We're going to experiment with strictly neons, but on black and on white. So what I'm going to do is mix these 1:1 with Owatrol Easy Flow. So here's Owatrol Easy Flow. It's similar to Floetrol in America. This is from Europe, and it's available either from Owatrol on their website or on Amazon. So I'm going to do 1:1 ratio. So I have a little over an ounce of paint and a little over an ounce of Owatrol, because these are 3-ounce cups. And I may have to add water and I may not. I think these might be fluid enough to where I don't have to, but I may have to add just a smidge of water. Owatrol is really great. It is very self-leveling, very smooth, and I've never experienced any cracking or crazing. So I'm going to, and then I also have some water mixed into a jug that I just finished. So I've got that to add if I need to add some water to any of these. That's what's going to be poured into it. I'll fast forward through mixing these colors up. This is my bottle of water. It's in a red squeeze bottle. I did this once. I'm doing it a second time, just to make sure I get all of my easy flow that I can out of this bottle. And that way you get to add it into your paint and not waste a drop of the Owatrol. So that jug is totally finished. Okay, so this is the last one, and if you can see how it comes off the stick, it's like pouring honey off of a stick. And that's the way you want it to be, in a nice steady stream. That was water, not a ketchup, that I was adding to my paint. So there's my 6 colors in 3-ounce cups. And I'm going to do a white canvas and a black canvas. I think I'll start with the white one first. Now I want to do a dirty pour. I will use this cup here, which is about 8 ounces. And this is pretty much all I want or need, I think. So I'm going to start. Oh, see, I keep forgetting OGX Coconut Milk Hair Serum. I'm just adding one little half pump into each color. I'm not even putting a full pump in. A couple of stirs and that's all. I totally forgot when I started to pour that. I remembered. So I was going to add a white to this, but I think I may just do the colors, but we'll see. I've got white in a squeeze bottle that's 50-50. I'm going to put just a little dribble, and then I'm going to start the colors again. So I'm kind of going in a rainbow order. Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink. A little bit of white. I'll go one more round. Just a little bit purple. Because I want to save half that for the black painting. Blue. Green. Yellow. Orange and pink. And I'll just dribble a little bit of white on top. So I got me a colorful rainbow of colors, and I'm going to take me a stick and cross through it just a few times. Here's my white canvas. And this is my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, which is this bottle here. And I mixed it 50-50 with Owatrol and added some water. And I want a pretty good amount of coverage on the white. Make sure the corners and the edges are covered with paint as well. So I'm going to flip it, and I want to go this way with it. I'm just letting it sit for a minute. So what I should have done is put white between each color, because for neon colors now it's kind of blended together and it's kind of a little bit on the muddy side. So I think the key one sometimes is just to do it fast instead of slow, because when you do it slow then you end up squishing all your cells. I think I'm gonna leave some white here though. So anytime you get opposite colors on the color wheel together, they're going to kind of go brown. like blue and orange, pink and green, yellow and purple. Like, you don't see hardly any purple at all in this. I really wish I could see this here on the outskirts near the white is very colorful. So there's a lesson learned that I probably should have put white between my colors. Stuck my straw in there. And so when I put my finger into it, the white comes through. So we'll just do that. I'm kind of blowing pretty gently. My video cut off and did not do the whole thing, so this is the next day, and this is the 12 by 24 that I was doing with the neons from Target. So here is the finished painting. It kind of muddied up. I wasn't real crazy about it. I just didn't have much luck with it coming out bright and cheerful as those colors were. So that is that one. And then I did a black one with the same exact colors, 12 by 24. And my camera did not record any of that, so I don't have the video of doing that, but I pretty much did it the same way. And here is this one, and I don't like this one either, because this whole half here looks very muddy. And I don't know why. I did add some white in between the layers, and so this part is nice and bright and cheerful and strange. And then this part here, I had to add some color in to even get the bright parts in this one because it was muddy looking. So I had fun painting like I always do, but these are not my favorites. But I wanted to show you the black one as opposed to the white one with the same exact colors by Handmade Modern from Target, which is the only company that carries it because they make the product. And that was the neon colors that I used. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.